Hi Jennifer. Here I just had you the credential for the Facebook for the data stamps. You can go to their Facebook page and you can see the Seven Bella page. So just click on it. Actually, right now we are running a ad. Uh, you can see the ad center and yeah, you can see. So so when you click on that view results, so we have spent some money, so there are a lot of people's respond to our ads. So basically your job is explain our platform, and you need to respond about the enquiries and questions for the customers asking. So okay, when you click, when you go to the page, yeah, right. So I just opened the ad center. So here, the messenger, normally you can go to this section, or you can see the notification. So you just click on it, so it's redirect to the message center. So you can see, uh, okay, so one of the customer asking about the questions regarding our platform. So you need to respond this. Basically your job, just respond all the customers inquiries. Right now we are spend some little bit amount for the ads. Once we got a lot of inquiries, we are going to increase the locations, and we target some store owners and customers. So basically customer asking a lot of questions and answers, so you can respond, you need to respond them. So this is the first one task for you. So I'm going to record another meeting and explain how exactly working our platform, so you can convey to the so you can understand, and you can explain to the store owners who asking the questions regarding our platform. So please let me know if you have any doubts or anything about this one. So normally your basic job, just respond to the customer enquiries, and uh, if you have a chance, so just just create the Excel sheet. Normally, actually, I have the Excel sheet. I have the document, so I will share you so you can see. So you can respond, for example, like customer name, uh, date of inquiry, date of message, like that. So you can track the, you can update the status. So we normally who are asking about the information. So it's easy for you, both of you. So let me know if you have any questions. I'm always available. I'm always available, Skype or email. So let me discuss. Talk to you then.